Today I'm going to share with you 3 design tips to make your listing presentation an absolute winner. Tip number 1, use case studies and be very specific. Using anecdotes of a listing where you did really well on the sale price or the number of offers or the time on market is a more powerful tool for sales than a generic statement. This proven psychology hack is how they sell lottery tickets. Instead of saying, hey, we paid out $500 million to 18 different winners last year, they'll market it using lingo such as a Richmond father of 2 wins $7 million in the latest lotto. See, this individual story is a much more powerful sales tool that makes people think, hey, that can be me. Design tip number 2, visualize the sales process. A picture is worth 1,000 words. Visuals of how amazing your photography looks, how nice your video tours come out, the Matterport 3D tours or the walkthroughs that you do for all your listings. These are much more exciting for a homeowner than a general list or bullet points or long paragraph of things that you're going to do for them. Show off how well your listings look online on your website, how nicely it shows on mobile devices, and don't forget to show them how you're going to market the listing on different digital channels such as social media, other websites, apart from just putting it on the MLS with photos. If you go the extra mile using drone shots, aerial shots, or 3D floor plans and models that you can actually use on an iPad, even better. Put that in there. Design tip number 3, numbers matter. Specific numbers of your performance convey confidence, and it subtly implies you track your performance and you do your research. Whether it's the traffic count to your website or your social media channels, or your average of sale to asking price ratios, or the days on market, or the number of offers and viewings you get, boldly displayed stats are more powerful. Here's another pro tip. Even if your numbers are not the best in the market, just showing them conveys a sense of confidence, so leverage that well.